Just checked into Park MGM, 27th floor. This is a basic king room. MGM King. It is 161 bucks a night. We're staying here Sunday and Monday in July, and it is $322 for 2 nights, and that includes resort fees all in. It's not like Caesars. Caesars kind of hides the fees to make it look a little cheaper, then drops it on you at the end, but that's okay. Nice view of T-Mobile Arena, a little bit out into Vegas. Legion Stadium in the background in case anyone wants to know where the Raiders play there. T-Mobile, home of the Stanley Cup champion Vegas Golden Knights. Anyway, get a little back strip. Hey, that's a pretty nice little couch there. Place to crash a little bit. Like I said, you're not hanging out here much. This is just a basic king. It's not a suite, not really a place to party. Place just to basically crash and hang out and go gamble a bit. So, pretty small. Closet. Safe. Pretty basic, but that's okay. Like I said, it's just got basically what I need. Little vanity, stand up shower, pretty nice. Bathroom, and that is it. Very quick tour when you're in just a basic king. But anyway, like I said, $322 for 2 nights here in July. That is it.